वेलकम बैक टू येट अनदर एपिसोड ऑफ प्लैनेट लव, जहाँ पे हम बातें करते हैं प्यार की, लेकिन क्यों? बढ़ाने के लिए वाइब ऑफ लव of our planet. Yes. So guys, I am your host and dost Vasudha, and I am back here again to talk to you today about love. आज का वीडियो is a much requested video. Yeah. So I'm going to talk about top 5 mistakes women make in relationships. Yes, I'm gonna do another video on top mistakes men make in relationships. You have to watch out for that on Friday, right? So the number one mistake women make is giving too much affection and care. Yes, you heard me right. Giving too much affection and care. And you know what? All the women folk out there, I am telling you this based off my personal experience as well as experience of the people I have worked with. Well, why am I saying that? I'm not saying that you withhold your affection and care for men in your life. No, be who you are. If you have that affection for them, if you care for them, show it to them. And more than showing it to them, hold it and love them the way you want to love them, because that makes you, that makes you feel loved. But do not drain yourself to give them that care and affection, right? Do not hold too many expectations from them, because that often leads to getting hurt and sometimes even disappointments. I would say give some of that love and affection, that care to yourself too. As women, we have the habit of putting ourselves last, not even second, third or fourth, right? So all I'm saying is don't put yourself in the end, at least. Yeah, if you'll ask me, I would say put yourself first. Yeah. Okay, so number 2, telling them too much. Yes, see guys, this never works, right? And when I'm talking about telling them too much, I mean it. Not in a sense that you tell them what to do. Well, I don't know what equation you share. I'm not jumping in there. That's something very personal. But when I say telling them too much, I mean you tell them too much about yourself. And sometimes maybe it is not even needed. Sometimes they're not even interested. I think you don't have to tell them too much until they show some kind of interest, right? You can start, you can take an initiative, but if you don't think that coming back, I think you just need to maybe tell that to someone who's interested in listening to what it was, right? Number 3, investing too much in him. Yes, you heard me right. Yeah, as women, we invest so much sometimes in men. I've noticed that a lot of times, like I also coach and mentor a lot of women, right? And even the ones who are like doing pretty well, are managing their own companies and blah blah, are the women who are afraid to invest in themselves. Yes. And when I say invest in themselves, I mean whether it comes to educating themselves, whether it comes to their health, whether it comes to maybe upgrading themselves, right? It's as if everything that we are doing is doing to support him. Yeah. So I would say keep investing in yourself so that you become more and more valuable, right? And if you don't think that you deserve to become more worthy, you deserve to raise your value as a human, as a person, as a soul, why should he? Why would he? And for that matter, anyone else, right? So invest in him, but I would say invest a little more in yourself. Finally, thinking that walking away is equal to rejecting. No, walking away is not equal to rejecting. As women, you know what we do is, see, I understand, right, that sometimes men get grumpy, they get moody, and they have their own, maybe as women we may call it pride, ego, whatever you may call it, or maybe they are in their own world and bubble, right, and they end up not prioritizing us, right, even when we need them the most. Now that is the time when we need to walk away, and when you are walking away, you are not rejecting him. See, when you need to be cared and he is not available to care for you, which is quite possible, and I'm not saying hold it against men, don't hold it against them, but hold it for yourself, right? That's the moment when you need to give that affection, that care you were giving to him, to yourself, that time, those resources, that's the time you need to give it to yourself. Those 1, 2, 3, 4 are the things which you need to keep doing so that you can make sure that you do not drop when number 5 happens, when you need to walk away. You need to walk away, A, to give them space, B, so that you don't get hurt anymore, and 3, it is important that you don't get hurt anymore so that you can continue to take care of yourself, right? And of course, I am not saying you need to just let it go. Of course, when they are ready to talk, you can of course talk to them about what happens, right? So you know what, remember, I mean, you don't need to put up with anybody's mind games, okay, even if that person loves you, right? So if he really loves you, he has to step up his love game, in a sense that he has to learn to be more consistent in giving you love, right? So don't let a man's stupidity make you lower your standards of dignity and integrity, right? If he's not treating you right for whatever reason, I don't know whether it's a good reason or a bad reason, valid or invalid, if he is not in a position to do it, then please withdraw. Withdrawing is not equal to rejection. Withdrawing is not equal to not loving. Withdrawing is all about self-care, right? So when you are both in the right zone, maybe you can resume things. I said maybe, okay? I am not saying what you have to do, right? I would say, like I said, continue to do 1, 2, 3, 4 so that number 5 doesn't even happen, right? And if you are doing 1, 2, 3, 4, he would know how to treat you, yeah? On that note, love yourself a little more, women, and keep raising your bar of love, because we need to raise the vibe of love of this planet. And well, no one does it better than someone who is a Venusian, yeah? Okay, I'll see you on Friday when we talk about the top mistakes men do in love, right? And don't forget to share it with your other girlfriends, right? And if you are a man, don't miss out on sharing it with her too, yeah? And make your relationship grow more beautiful. I'll see you next time. Bye.